Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. All new upcoming flagship models of iPhone 18 and the iPhone Air 2 are now rumored to get this major improvement. Apple was long rumored to get rid of the old One feature on the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, but recently a new rumor claimed that it wouldn't happen. Apple makes these improvements in its flagship line. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New reports claim that all new iPhone 18 models and the new slimmest iPhone Air 2 are now rumored to get this improvement. Apple was long rumored to get rid of the dynamic island on the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max smartphones, but recently a new rumor claimed that it wouldn't happen, and instead, they would just have a smaller dynamic island. Today, a new rumor from a well-known tech leaker named Ice Universe in China brings some more context. According to the tech leaker, it's not just the Pros that will get the smaller dynamic island, but the entire series, including the iPhone 18 and the iPhone 18 Air, the thinnest model. On the other hand, the screen bezels of the future iPhone 18 models will stay exactly the same as they are in the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the thinnest model, iPhone Air respectively. The new improvement will be in the smaller, pill-shaped hole punch for the dynamic island. Of course, all future iPhone devices should also get a new chipset upgrade, as is the tradition in Apple land. Rumors suggest that Apple is testing a deep red finish for the iPhone 18 Pro models, alongside a couple of more traditional color options. Apple isn't expected to change the sizes of the iPhone 18 Pro models, and they will feature the same 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch display sizes as the current models. While there were some rumors suggesting the iPhone 18 Pro models would have under-display Face ID, with the true-depth camera hardware located under the display, more recent information suggests the technology is not ready. While there's no under-display Face ID coming, Apple does plan to shrink the size of the iPhone 18 Pro's dynamic island, so it will take up less space. Leaker Ice Universe has provided a mock-up of the alleged size of the iPhone 18 Pro's dynamic island. He claims the dynamic island will be 35% narrower than the iPhone 17 dynamic island, with a widget of around 13.5 mm, down from 20.7 mm. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to arrive this fall alongside the iPhone Fold or is that iPhone Ultra, while the iPhone 18 may launch at the same time as the iPhone 18e and the iPhone Air 2 next spring. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.